If you're looking to automate follow-ups in Salesflare and boost your sales process, you've come to the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up automated follow-ups in Salesflare, a CRM designed to streamline your sales workflow with zero effort. By the end, you'll be able to create automated workflows that save you time, increase your response rates, and ultimately close more deals. First things first, if you're new to Salesflare, it's an incredibly intuitive CRM built to save you time and make managing customer relationships much easier. The key here is automation, especially when it comes to follow-ups, because it ensures that no lead or opportunity falls through the cracks. To get started, head over to the automation section in your Salesflare account. From here, you can create custom automations based on your needs. Let's walk through setting up an automated follow-up. You'll need to click on the Create Automation button, and then you'll have the option to choose triggers that will set your follow-ups in motion. One of the most common triggers is a change in the deal stage. For example, once a deal moves to a certain stage, you might want to automatically send an email to remind your contact about the next step or schedule a meeting. Setting this up is simple. Just select the trigger and then set the condition for when the follow-up should happen. You can specify time delays, like send a follow-up 1 day after a deal is moved to awaiting response. Another great feature Salesflare offers is smart email templates. These are pre-designed emails you can create to automatically send to leads after specific actions or interactions. Let's say a potential customer hasn't responded to your initial email. Salesflare can automatically send a polite follow-up on your behalf. You can even personalize these emails with dynamic fields like the prospect's name, company, or last interaction date, making your communication feel less automated and more personal. But here's the best part. You don't even have to worry about manually tracking responses. With Salesflare's email tracking and activity logging, the system automatically tracks your email opens, clicks, and replies. Based on this data, you can set rules to trigger further follow-ups. For instance, if a lead opens an email but doesn't reply, Salesflare can trigger a follow-up email within a specified number of hours. Salesflare also offers the option to use its pipeline management tool in combination with follow-up automations. This lets you see exactly where every deal is in your pipeline and helps you set reminders or automated follow-ups for each stage. You can set these reminders based on time or when certain actions, like an email being opened or a link clicked, are tracked. To take this a step further, you can integrate Salesflare with other apps like Gmail, Outlook, and Zapier. This allows you to create more complex automation workflows, such as syncing your follow-up emails with your calendar to set reminders or triggering custom workflows based on a variety of external actions. I also want to highlight that Salesflare offers powerful analytics, so you can see how well your automated follow-ups are performing. You'll be able to track open rates, click-through rates, and response rates, which is crucial to refining your approach and ensuring you're getting the best results. Now, here's something special. By using the first link below, you can get access to a free trial of Salesflare, along with some exclusive bonuses. This will give you all the tools you need to start automating your follow-ups and transforming your sales process. Remember, automating follow-ups in Salesflare isn't just about saving time. It's about creating a seamless sales journey that turns leads into loyal customers. And with our exclusive extended free trial, you can dive into this powerful CRM today without any risks or commitments. So go ahead, click the link below to grab your free trial, start automating your follow-ups, and take your sales process to the next level.